Hello everybody and welcome to #cute. This is me and we're doing a mermaid look. Oh my gosh. So hope you enjoy. I am starting out fresh face, no makeup, and I'm going to just apply my foundation and concealer and a base, and then I'm going to get started on the tutorial. I'm actually trying a different concealer today. I'm going to be going with the Maybelline Cool Ivory Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I read an article that it was one of the top drugstore concealers for dark under eye. And I've been having a problem with creasing concealer lately, so see how it works. And then, oh my goodness, I found this at CVS for like $12. Don't quote me on it, somewhere around $12. It's a mermaid blender. Like, how perfect for a mermaid video. Exactly. I'm at a loss for words. Lost for words. It is by Infallible. Actually, L'Oreal. I lied. It's L'Oreal. Coming out a little more black than I thought it would. So I'm going to take the Petals color, it's that super bright pink color right there, from the Bright Blooms Cool Story palette. I got it at Target. It's super cool. And here we go. And I'm going to clean up some of the lines with this concealer brush. So next, I'm going to be taking these fishnet stockings and putting them over my head. Without my bangs. And where I contoured with the purple, the mix of colors, I'm going to be using the purple that I used from the Cool Story Bright Blooms palette and sort of making a border around where I want to put colors. The color that I'm going to use is Budding. It's right there. Next, I'm going to be taking Endless Sea by L'Oreal, and I'm going to be putting it inside the borders of what I use the purple with. And this is sort of what we have. Now I'm going to go and blend some of the harsher lines so it looks a little bit more natural, more scaly. Now, as far as touch-ups, I've noticed on my hairline, it didn't really go all the way. And these colors are starting to fade and didn't blend all that well, so I'm going to go touch those up a little bit right now. Now, I just went ahead and did a really messy purple time around, not too precise, just sort of looking going for. I'm going to use that endless sea color as sort of a highlight. Again, now, I'm not, too worried about making it perfect against my outfit. I'm not doing anything professional right now, just trying to show you the general look and feel. So here's what we have so far. Then, before I do anything else, I am going to get the Dewy Finish by NYX to setting spray so that all this hard work does not go to waste. Next, I am going to take this Paparazzi Frankly Glitter. It's actually a top coat for nail polish, but I had a better use for it. I am going to take it and put it on the palm of my hand like this. Make sure I get a lot in there. And then I am going to put the lid back on. Take this flat eyeshadow brush. Make sure I get the glitter in there. Just kind of pop it on the purple. Kind of give it a little bit of pizzazz. there we have it. Except very natural. Very hardly anything done. Next is going to be eyeshadow. And I kind of let my bangs down, so eyeshadow. And this is the final look, guys. And this is really, really fun. It's a very, like I said, gothic mermaid. Mermaids can be punk too. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked how I explained things and found it easy to follow, please subscribe and like and comment. And can't wait to hear from you guys. Let me know what you want to see next.